There are people right now paying $60 a month for AI tools that you can get for free. Not a trial, not a watered-down demo. The actual good models, ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini, all sitting behind a free button most people scroll right past. In 2025, free AI tiers were basically demos designed to annoy you into upgrading. That changed. In 2026, the free tiers on the big three, ChatGPT, Claude, and Gemini, actually run real models, not the stripped-down leftovers. The catch isn't quality anymore, it's limits. Message caps, rate limits, no memory between sessions, that kind of thing. So the smart move isn't picking one tool and living with its limits, it's knowing which tool wins at which job and rotating between them like a free AI power user. Here's the breakdown. ChatGPT, best for general everyday stuff. If you just need a fast answer, a first draft, a quick explanation, brainstorming, open ChatGPT. It's the most widely used for a reason. Broad model access, image generation, web browsing, all free. The trade-off is under heavy use, it can quietly throttle you to a weaker model without telling you. So if answers suddenly feel dumber, that's why. Claude, best for anything you actually want to read. Writing an essay, an email that needs to not sound like a robot wrote it, analyzing a long document, Claude's free tier consistently produces the most natural, polished writing of the three. The trade-off is message limits reset every few hours, so save it for your most important writing task of the day, not casual chit-chat. Gemini, best for volume and Google integration. If you live in Gmail, Docs, and Drive, Gemini plugs straight in, and its free tier is the least restrictive of the three for everyday queries. Great if you just want to fire off a lot of questions without hitting a wall. So the actual strategy, use ChatGPT for general stuff, Claude for writing or reading closely, and Gemini for quick or high-volume lookups. That's 3 separate free message pools working for you instead of one. Now, here's where most people stop, but there's a second tier of free tools that's honestly slept on. Perplexity. This is your research tool. Ask it anything current, anything that needs sources, and it'll search the live web and hand you cited answers. If you've ever caught ChatGPT confidently making something up, this is the fix. NotebookLM. Upload your own PDFs, notes, or documents, and it'll only answer based on what you gave it. Zero hallucination risk because it's not guessing, it's reading your stuff. Incredible for studying or research projects. Microsoft Copilot in the Edge browser. Free, no account required, and it gives you flagship-level image generation through DALL-E without any of the message caps the others have. Stack those 3 on top of your big 3 and you genuinely have a professional-grade AI toolkit for $0. Last thing, and this matters more than which tool you pick, your prompt does more work than the model does. A lazy prompt gets a lazy answer on any of these tools, free or paid. The fix is simple. Tell it the format you want, give it a role, and give it your constraints. Instead of summarize this, try summarize this in 3 bullet points for someone with no background on the topic. That one change will improve your results more than switching apps ever will. So here's your free AI stack. ChatGPT for general stuff, Claude for writing, Gemini for volume, Perplexity for research, NotebookLM for your own documents. That's a $60 a month toolkit and it's sitting there free right now. If this saved you from typing your credit card into something you didn't need to, subscribe because I'm covering the tool combos nobody talks about every week. And drop a comment, which one of these are you trying first?